It will be an incredible show. Here comes the Vision. Bronson Reed and Austin Theory with Paul Heyman. Tonight, Austin Theory made his intentions clear that he is here to lead, not to follow. And tonight, Austin Theory will help the Vision to fight against Team CM Punk. Will Roman Reigns show up tonight? What will happen when CM Punk and Rey Mysterio take on the Vision in an incredible tag team match tonight? Let's find out who will get the victory in this chaos. Will Austin Theory, the Mystery Men, be able to help the Vision get a victory tonight? Theory punching and beating the hell out of the World Heavyweight Champion CM Punk. Oh, Punk picks up Theory, but he escapes and attacks Rey Mysterio. Theory, rock and roll, kick. And now Mysterio takes out Austin Theory at ringside. Fans going wild and crazy. Austin Theory feeling the pain. The pain to lead the Vision. If Austin Theory joins the Vision, who do you think will be the leader? Austin Theory or Braun Breaker? Right now, Rey Mysterio smashing Theory. Paying homage to the late great Eddie Guerrero. And look at CM Punk, he is back after the attack. And now Rey Mysterio finally makes it back to the best in the world, CM Punk. And now Punk smashing Austin Theory, putting him down again and again, out again and again. Oh, what a kick to the face by the best in the world. One of the best to ever do it, neckbreaker. Takes out Theory like a pro. And now CM Punk with a knee strike to the face. Sends him rolling. Again a knee strike. A bulldog. Let's go. Mr. World Champion. It's time to put Austin Theory to sleep. CM Punk picks up Theory, but Theory is somehow escaping. And now CM Punk to end the game. And a close line from the top. And now cover, kick out, knee strike again. This time a double team. A double trouble. Rey Mysterio puts Bronson Reed into the 619 position, but Austin Theory out of nowhere smashes Rey Mysterio with a clothesline, and now Mysterio, oh no. Theory played very smart. And now puts a stomp to Rey Mysterio into the mat. Theory and the Vision wins. And here comes the dog Braun Breaker after the match. CM Punk attacked Austin Theory after the match. Then Braun Breaker came. Oh, now the numbers game. CM Punk with a clothesline. Sends Austin Theory outside, but a dog. Barking. Dog. Spear. The human missile Braun Breaker erupts with some chaos here on Raw. And here comes Roman Reigns. Bang! A tribal chief returns home. Smashing the dog. Braun Breaker sends him outside and clears the ring. Now the Vision running away from Roman Reigns. Paul Heyman laughing with a smile. Look at Austin Theory. After getting his ass kicked in the end. CM Punk and Rey Mysterio showing love for each other like a family, like true brothers. And now CM Punk gave a gift to Rey Mysterio off air on Raw. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, CM Punk and Gunther face to face, but Gunther laughing at CM Punk, mocking CM Punk, making fun of him, telling Punk, "I'll beat you for that title too. I'll make you tap out too." Javon Evans is taking on one of the Americanos. Oh, Americano takes out Javon Evans. Oh, Evans escapes the Matrix. And now takes out the Americano. Javon Evans is feeling it. He is feeling. Look at Evans in full swag, making fun of Americano. Another meme created. Who do you think is that fake Americano? Oh, Evan. Javon Evans. It's time to end the match, Javon. Oh, the springboard clothesline by Javon Evans. Kick out by the Americano. And now the OJ cover. And Javon Evans spins the Americano here on Monday Night Raw. Incredible action. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. El Grande Americano is angry on now. Asuka with a drop kick to Mommy Rhea Ripley. Rhea Ripley is down. And now Asuka smashes Rhea into the steel post. And now Rhea Ripley takes out Asuka. Rolling Thunder. And now Rhea sends Asuka inside the ring. And now Mommy with a slap to Asuka. Asuka is laughing after eating that slap, but she will not laugh after that clotheslines. Bang, a kick to the gut. Asuka is stunned and rocked. Face buster. Drop kick by Mommy with perfection. And now Rhea Ripley and Asuka. Ripley smashing Asuka with the punches to the back. And now Mommy. Kick to the face. Asuka rocked by that kick. Now Mommy. Bang! Again puts down Asuka. Kick out by Asuka again. Look at Mommy, how frustrated she is feeling right now. Let's go, Mommy. Beat the hell out of Asuka. Mommy going for the razor's edge, but Asuka counters. Kick out by Mommy. Rhea Ripley. Oh! The big boot missed.
Hey, come on, back in the ring.
Asuka said, "You missed, I hit." But Mommy also counters and caught Asuka.
Come on, Asuka, back in the ring, come on.
Oh no. Bang, a German suplex on the apron. And here comes Io Sky, the cutie pie of Monday Night Raw and WWE. But Kairi Sane tried to attack Io, but Io smashes her, rocks her with a punch. He was here to help her sister Rhea, but Kairi Sane takes her out, and with the help of Kairi Sane, Asuka defeated Mommy Rhea Ripley tonight. Incredible action. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. Bailey versus Roxanne Perez. Will Liv Morgan help Roxanne Perez win tonight again? She is at ringside. Look at. She is beautiful too. And now Bailey got rocked after getting it smashed into the turnbuckle. But there is no referee. Oh! What was Raquel doing? Liv telling Raquel, informing her that Roxanne was about to win the match, but there is an argument going on. And from behind, Lyra Valkyria. Bailey wins the match with the help of Lyra Valkyria. Wow. And now, Becky Lynch beating down Maxine Dupri. Becky is here and making a statement that she will win back the Women's Intercontinental title again. And now, Becky Lynch will Becky Lynch become two-time Women's Intercontinental Champion by defeating Maxine Dupri? And now she again started attacking Maxine, beating her down. But Maxine fighting back. Again puts Becky Lynch into the ankle lock. Lynch is screaming with pain. And Becky, look at Becky. Finally Becky tapped out. Again Becky Lynch tapped out to Maxine Dupri. Incredible action. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more action like this.